How to catch the best deals online. We prefer booking using Google.com to find cheap and budget-friendly rates. For us, it is easier to know the best rates online using Google.com.ph or Google Hotels. Now let's try catching up with Aureo La Union. Find more rates to catch your match. If your preferred dates are not available, you may always select the other dates for further options. Please be cognizant that all rates on Google Hotel price ads should be all-inclusive of taxes and fees. Therefore, there should be no hidden charges. On the other hand, if there are no rates found, it means the hotel is currently fully booked. You have the option to call the hotel directly via phone, mobile phone or through their social media accounts. Want more of these traveler tips and tips on how to catch the best deal online? Like this video and subscribe. Thank you for watching.